Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of headphones not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound in the right pane, and make sure that you connect it to the right headphones or speakers. See, if your headphone is connected through the 3.5 jack, then select speakers. If it is connected to the USB jack, then select headphones. It would have a separate category for it. That's how it works. Okay, and the same goes for input. Now, if this doesn't help, then go to privacy and security, scroll down and check for microphone. If your headphones has a microphone set connected with it, and make sure that the correct app has access to it. Okay, now once this is done, again go to the system tab, scroll down and select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And lastly, search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, and right click and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.